Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious sushi cake at home. First, let's prepare the foundation. You'll need 2 cups of sushi rice, properly seasoned with a vinegar mixture. Once cooled, firmly press this rice into a 6-inch springform pan. Make sure the layer is even and compact. This creates a stable base for your beautiful sushi cake. This initial step is crucial for a successful and visually appealing result. Now, let's build those delicious layers. Start by adding a generous layer of your favorite sushi fillings, perhaps creamy avocado or crisp cucumber. Next, spread a thin, even layer of cream cheese or spicy mayonnaise to add a delightful kick and bind the flavors. Finally, artfully arrange thinly sliced fish, such as salmon or tuna, or vibrant vegetables over the filling. Each layer contributes to the cake's unique taste and texture. The fun part is decorating. Elevate your sushi cake with colorful toppings like bright orange tobacco roe or toasted black sesame seeds. For a touch of freshness, garnish with finely chopped fresh herbs, such as cilantro or chives. When it's time to serve, use a very sharp, wet knife to slice the cake cleanly. Aim for 8 even portions to ensure everyone gets a perfect piece of this culinary masterpiece. Your homemade sushi cake is now ready to be enjoyed. For the best flavor and texture, serve it immediately after preparation. Don't forget to offer traditional accompaniments on the side, such as a small dish of soy sauce, a dollop of wasabi, and some refreshing pickled ginger. This unique and delicious sushi experience is perfect for sharing with friends and family, offering a creative twist on a classic favorite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.